So let us do another update for AMC because today jumping 4 or 5%, almost 6%, and it's getting near the almost the $2, guys. As you can see here from the trend, we got a bit of selling pressure, two sellers, as you can see from the trend, and now we have a recovery here for the first leg of bullish trend up. However, right now, we're not technically up yet until we break one critical level that we have to discuss today with GameStop, of course, because GameStop is kind of neutral. We just 500K worth of volume. Again, guys, before we go more further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, we always do update daily in the pre-market to our watch list that we do every day. Like for today, we did for MNTS, did really great in the pre-market and jumped. We got, of course, AOI did really good to jump as well, almost hit the profit taken around the almost the 197. The link in description below to join our community on Discord and Patreon. So for GameStop, guys, nothing changed yet because we currently over the 2137, which is the current support. If you knew, guys, those kind of trend that we had after we got this huge selling pressure back in 11 of May is normal because after this big pullback, we got a period of consolidation because the selling pressure just equaled the buying pressure, and that's why we are accumulating here sideways. The only thing that make us change from this accumulation and have activity up or down is by having more buyers than sellers or sellers than more than buyers. Because if we have more sellers more than buyers, the one signal that we confirm that is the 2137. Because if we broke here, we're gonna go toward the 1770. If we held and we break the 1320, 2318, it means we have more buyers than sellers. Simple as that, guys. And we go toward the 25, 26, and beyond after that 28. For AMC, on the other hand, we have a really good reaction because we didn't first test the $1.17. We reversed before it around the 126, and we getting near the $1.94, which is the current squeeze zone. So we missing just 20% from this squeeze zone around this area in order to go the other level around almost the $2.50, guys, which is, from my opinion, the first leg of squeeze to go toward the 249 46 and the $3.17. So if we squeeze, we might do 25 and almost 60%. So almost 25 around those two levels before we have a pullback. But the most important two levels for AMC, guys, for this week and before the end of this month, because we got just a few days or just this week, is holding the 117, which we already did, and breaking the 194 and holding the current, let me see here. Yeah, we have a support, but it's really light. The most important support for AMC right now is the $1.17. And yes, so now we got a bit of a lot of talk about Iran war and a lot of people just going and buying safe haven like silver and oil and things like this. That's why we got a bit of mixed signals in the market, as you can see here. Bloom Energy is still at all-time high because it's energy stock. Intel is focused on AI and chips. That's why it's still in the green side. So those kind of exception, guys, to the rules. That's why we got the market is a bit in green. And AMC, on the other hand, 5% is big, guys, comparing for what's going on in the market. So I'm watching it closely for an imminent squeeze, of course. And I'm going to discuss it later on in depth for you guys for the squeeze, if we had it. In the pre-market or after hours, we're going to discuss it first on our Discord and Patreon. After that, on our live streaming that we do daily, 30 minutes before the market open. So join us, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to never miss any update that we do daily.